Automating your workflow can save you valuable time, and Ordoro's automation rules make it simple to streamline your order management process. Let's walk through how you can set them up and maximize efficiency. Automation rules in Ordoro allow you to assign tags, warehouses, and presets to orders, as well as automatically allocate, drop ship, or mark orders as shipped as they are created in Ordoro. To manage your rules, go to Account Settings, where you can view, edit, disable, or create rules. Each rule starts with an if statement, which determines the conditions an order must meet for the rule to apply. For example, you can set an if statement to target orders from a specific sales channel, for orders with a particular tag, or based on the order's destination. Next is the then statement, which applies an action to the order. Actions could include assigning a tag, setting a warehouse, or automatically allocating inventory to the order. You can add multiple if statements to narrow down the conditions of the rule. Consider testing combinations to refine your criteria further. Use the all or any options carefully. Choosing all applies the rule only if all conditions are met, while any applies the rule if any of the conditions are met. Similarly, you can include multiple then statements to perform several actions on an order simultaneously, such as tagging and marking it as shipped. At the top of the rule, add a description to document its purpose, making it easier to manage and identify rules later. Once the rule is complete, it's crucial to test your rule. Create a manual order in Ordoro to confirm that the rule applies as intended. This ensures your automation is accurate and prevents unexpected errors. With automation rules in place, you'll reduce manual errors, simplify your workflow, and focus on growing your business, making fulfillment smoother and more efficient than ever.